How to install Microsoft Store apps using CMD command in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. First of all, straightway coming to install a store app, launch the command prompt, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator. Suppose you want to install ChatGPT from Microsoft Store, then type store install ChatGPT. Press enter, again press enter. Wait for a while to complete the installation. ChatGPT is installed. You can check in Microsoft Store. You can see acquired moments ago for ChatGPT. In the same way, you can install any app by typing store, install, and the app name and pressing enter. Let's come to the details now. Windows 11 offers a new Microsoft Store that runs entirely from command prompt or PowerShell. It is called Store CLI. While you have been able to use the Windows Package Manager to install applications with the winget command, the new Store CLI makes the experience faster and easier. If you want to know more about Store CLI, type Store in the command prompt and press enter. You can view Store CLI here. Using Store CLI, you can install, update, and browse Microsoft Store apps. Two types of commands are given here. Discovery commands. You can browse add-ons, apps, games, extensions, etc. Here are operations commands. You can use these commands to install, update an app or check for updates for Microsoft Store apps. If you want to check for available updates for all the apps, simply type store updates and press enter. Checking for updates. The command will start checking for updates. Updates for three apps are available: Microsoft Bing, Microsoft People, Xbox Keycut. Would you like to install the three store updates now? Type Y and press enter. The apps will be updated in the background. If you want to update a single app, type store update and the app name. Suppose Microsoft Bing it is, and press enter. Microsoft Bing will be updated. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.